Okay. So very simple, friends. All the visualizations are available out of the box within Power BI. You have donut chart, we have pie chart, okay, stack bar chart and all, okay, line chart, maps and all, everything is readily available. Card. Okay. So let us see. Let us start with card visualization. Card visualization is available to show you the summarized total number. Let's say, for example, we want to see the total budgeted cost. Very simple. Visualization is fairly simple. The hard part was, the difficult part for learning Power BI was understanding the relationship and DAX. That's are the core part. Okay. Visualization is fairly simple. You just click, drag and drop, and that's the fun part and the easiest part of Power BI. Okay. You have all your functions created. Okay. It's just about painting on the canvas. Okay. Now let's see in this example, you want to see your total budgeted cost. Okay. The functions and the DAX is already available. Okay. Just click, select the card visualization. Card visualization is just to show you the summarized number, one single number. Okay. That's the visualization we're going to use. Okay. So it's fairly simple. Select on that visualization and select that DAX formula which you have already created. Okay. That is where it is so simple. See this card visualization, and you can just see the total number of budgeted costs. Similarly, you can copy very simple. Apply. What I'll do is I'll just apply few formatting to this for your understanding. We can add up a title bar. We can add various type of formatting to it using this paintbrush within your visualization panel. All right. Select that visualization. Okay, and click paintbrush. Okay. Here you have various options of formatting your dashboard visualization. Okay. You want to change the format color. You want to change the formatting size. You want to add borders, background. It is all about painting. It is all about adding colors and combinations of size, font, and everything to your visualization. It is fairly simple. Okay, you want something a bright color to your numbers. Okay, add data label. Okay, change the size. All these formatting, actually you can explore it on your own. It's really a fun part of Power BI. Okay, coloring is there, data label, you can change the size, you can change the unit you want to see in thousands, millions, and likewise. Okay, so it's going to change it as per your requirement, the way you want to show it. All right, you don't want to any numbering from a unit, you don't want, you just select none, and it changes. Okay, change the numbers, change. Okay, then category. Okay, you want to see this category over here. Okay, you can see on and off. Okay, change the color. What I did prefer is, like, for my personal opinion, I just try to switch off this category and just add a title for a better looking option. Okay, so I just add a total budgeted, for example, budgeted cost, for example. All right, so add up a title. Okay, what I do in my personal style of formatting, if you see here. Okay, I love this kind of formatting. So I just normally switch off the category option and I just switch on the title where it is much more presentable. All right, friends. So let us see how we do that. Title. Okay, title. Font, background, let's keep it little bit dark. For example, font, we want to add a sky blue color to it. Okay. And this is where we can add up our summarization numbers over here. We want to keep it center. We want little bit numbers. You can play with the formatting as per your requirement, as per your choice of color. You want to add borders. Okay. Play with this formatting. You're gonna love it actually. Okay. Add color. Let's say similar dark formatting. You want to add shadows for your card. Okay, add shadows. Okay, This is where you can make your presentation much more visually appealing. Okay, much more presentable. Okay, let's say for example inside, make it center. Okay, you see this, you get a embossing kind of a feel with this. Okay, let's keep it darker shade. Okay, and then you can customize it over here. Okay, the blur part you want to add, increase more, play with this, and transparency you want to move out like this. You see this, you're going to give a real effect to that. Okay, so that's about card visualization. Similar